This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Wow, what a great artist I am. Almost done.
Yay!
It's finished. Time for coloring. Where do I get markers, though?
Oh!
Sue's backpack. There must be some markers inside. Why don't I check? Hello? Is anyone home? No one. It's dark here. I can't see markers. I can't see anything. Gotcha! I've got a marker. But where's the exit? It's not a false alarm. Help! I can't get out. Help me, Sue. I'm trapped. The backpack has swallowed me.
Sammy, I've overslept. I gotta run.
Help! The exit is stolen. Here it is. That was a close call. It was so scary. I even left my marker inside. Wait a second. Uh-oh. Sue is not going to be thrilled about that. What do I do now? Think fast, Sammy. There's no problem some cardboard wouldn't fix, right?
I gotta hurry or I'll be in trouble.
Oops. I guess there's at least one problem cardboard can't solve.
What's happened? Why did my textbooks... Huh? Who made this hole?
Just keep your hand inside, Sue, and no one will notice.
Hey, it's not how it works. Ugh, and what shall I do now? My backpack is ruined.
Don't get your hopes up, Sue. It doesn't work. I tried.
What? Cardboard? You probably used it incorrectly. Let's try again.
Okay.
Let's get down to business. This piece here is going to be the foundation of our backpack.
I'm not impressed, Sue. I hope it won't tear as easily as your previous backpack when I'll get into this one.
I hope so too. Look, these are all the pieces of our backpack's bottom part. Now we need to glue them all together. Press on the edges. And make sure to secure the sides together too.
Sue, this backpack won't hold your books.
Oh, come on, Sammy, it's not finished yet.
Let me check. Oh no, Sue, it's crooked! Aha! Now I know your secret. It's not a backpack, it's a boat.
What? It's a backpack. You'll see. I'm gonna fetch some materials. Just please don't touch anything.
Sure. If you're asking. Captain Sam, speed up. Yes, sir. Whee! Yay! Ah!
Okay, I'm back. And I managed to... Huh? Sammy, what's going on? Anyway, this piece is... Sammy, that's enough. Your journey is over, Captain Sam. You've reached land. Come on, really, it's not fair. You're having fun, and I'm working.
Slimes are very good at having fun, you know. But okay, I got it.
Okay, now, let's work on the sides. You need to bring me 2 more pieces for this part. 2 pieces. Can you hear me? All done. Cut out and folded. Let's attach it to its place.
I can't remember what I should do to this piece. I know! Sam 3. Oh, come on! Oh, yes! I'm almost sure that's what I was supposed to make.
Awesome! 2 sides are ready. 2 more to go. Oops! I forgot the glue.
Sue, I finished!
Finished with what exactly?
That's what you asked me to do.
I actually asked for something different. Look, we need 1 more sidewall right here. Where is it?
But check it out, Sue. Here, I've got the side wall and the front wall, and even 2 handles. Very inventive, right?
Yeah, Sammy, you're very creative, but I really need your help.
Sorry, Sue. I forgot what I needed to do. You can have my helmet if you want.
Thank you, but I'd better use these.
Suit yourself.
Look, guys, I've glued these two pieces, and now I'll attach them here.
Whoa, I can't believe Sue didn't like this helmet.
Right? I was trying so hard, put all my creativity into this awesome invention.
How only did you come up with this idea, Sammy?
Well, you see, I had to help Sue make a new backpack, and she asked for... See? I forgot. We're making a backpack. Sorry, guys, but I gotta go.
Sam is his usual self. Barbie, want to try on this helmet?
Sure.
Looks good.
Sue! Sue! I'm so sorry. I forgot I had to help you with the craft and got super distracted.
No worries, Sammy. Better check out what I made.
Wow, Sue, it doesn't look like a boat anymore. It indeed looks like a backpack. You did so good. But I still don't get how it's gonna close.
A bit of patience, my slime friend. You'll see everything really soon.
Got it. I can wait.
I hope Sam got his new task correctly this time.
Why is it so heavy? It's just cardboard. I don't get it.
Yeah, it was a great idea, Ken.
Faster, faster, woohoo! Yo, Sam, could we stop over there? We want to get some ice cream.
Huh? Ken?
Oopsie.
Here you go, Susie.
Oh, thank you.
It's not my fault it took so long. You know, Ken and his pranks.
Oh, don't be so grumpy, Sammy. And this piece goes over here. Now, voila! Already looks like a real backpack, doesn't it?
Hey, Sue, we're sorry we were slowing down your work. Here.
Thanks.
Let me inspect the results. Not bad. Not bad. Good job, Sue. Huh? Thank you guys, really. And now get down to work.
Hey!
Another finished piece, Sue. Where will it go?
It'll go here at the top, but I'll glue it later, after we're done with decorating.
What do you think of this green color, Sue?
It's great.
I'll go find more colors.
I'll use this green paper to cover the bottom part. And this part will be light purple.
We'll definitely need this. Yellow color, green. We've already used it. Now what about my favorite color?
Psst, Barbie, listen up. I feel like pranking Sam. You distract him and I'll grab the pink paper.
Deal.
It should totally go on the most visible part.
Hey, Sammy, watcha doing?
Duh! I mean, you didn't scare me, of course. I was just busy thinking,
I'll catch it! I'll catch it! I'll catch it! Gotcha! Yay! Phew, mission complete.
and then I just thought we couldn't do without.
Sorry, Sammy. Gotta go. Talk later, okay? Bye!
Well, that was weird. Huh? Wait, where is my pink paper? Maybe Sue has taken it? Sue, have you taken my favorite pink paper?
What? No, I haven't. But don't worry, I have more. See?
Ew.
And just like you asked, it goes onto the most visible part. Now it's time to decorate the back side of this backpack.
You know what? I was going to make skis, but maybe these can be the handles?
Perfect.
Hey, Sammy, haven't you lost anything?
I knew it! You had taken my pink paper.
Wait, don't get mad. Ta-da! We actually wanted to make a surprise for you.
Do you like it?
Wow, is it for me? He looks exactly like me. Thank you so much, friends. Sue! Sue, look what I got. It's Paper Sam.
Wow! We can actually put him to use too today, but a bit later, okay?
Okay, we can wait. No, I changed my mind. I can't wait anymore. Paper Sam is ready for action.
All right.
Oh, I'm so excited. Wait! Sue, make way! To the left. No, to the right. A bit to the left. Keep it straight, Sue. Yes, that's it. You can glue it.
Done. So cute.
Can you give me a hand here? I can't see anything. Oh, thanks. Now place it on top. On the very top.
Okay, here it goes. Looks awesome, by the way.
I can't believe we really did it. It's the brightest and cutest backpack ever. You'll be the most stylish at school, Susie.
That's for sure. But I wouldn't have done it without your help and creativity.
You make me blush. You know what? This backpack is perfect for playing and hiding. See for yourself. There's even a special opening for watching the surroundings. I think I'll keep it. I've got a feeling that this backpack is a bit too big for me.
Sammy, what are you doing here? What's wrong with you?
Nothing! I'm just testing your backpack so that you can take it to school and worry about nothing.
Right, school. I gotta run.
Didn't know you could fly.
Oh, what do you mean? You know I can't fly.
Oh, Princess Billy, you're just in time to see Fiona's home movies.
That's my dream. To be able to fly. I just dreamt it last night. Anybody need a cuddle?
Not right now, Bunny Cuddles. We seem to be watching Fiona's dream.
Hey, that's my dream. Oh, I'll never cuddle again.
Hey, what's the big deal? It's just a dream. That's not my dream. It must be Elizabeth's.
Absolutely not! Everyone knows you're the one who likes running through meadows.
Huh? Oh, make it stop!
No. Keep it going.
That cat is so funny.
He must be dying of embarrassment. Hey, are you the ones showing these dreams?
No, but whoever is deserves a medal. Your dreams are hilarious.
Especially yours, Kitty Cat. So romantic.
First of all, it's Sir Kitty Cat to you. And second of all... Let me at him!
Dreams are our special private thoughts. It's not nice to laugh at them. But only a complete goofball skips through flowers. Guard! Find the monster who's doing this! Home, Sydney! And you're pulling us!
Well, at least we know one thing. The twins are behind this.
Yeah, but then who is?
Whoever it is, they had to use some kind of magic.
So maybe Ed the Wizard can help.
Stealing dreams? Why, that's the simplest of simple things to do. You just need a dream catcher.
A dream catcher?
Yes, every wizard worth his worth in wizardry has one. But, where is it? Oh, it's disappeared! Someone must have stolen my stealer of dreams!
Well, we now know how they're stealing the dreams, but we still don't know who is doing it.
We wizards have a wizardly saying, if you want to catch a butterfly catcher, all you need is a big enough net.
So if we make a big enough dream catcher, we can catch the dreams and the person stealing them?
Completely and exactly. Now, let's see. You're going to need a strong net, a branch in the shape of a Y, and these magic words.
Ah, we can borrow the net from the penguin's fishing boat.
And I'm sure we can find a Y-shaped branch in a tree outside.
No, that will never work. The branch must come from a forest of sleep. But be careful to avoid branches in the shape of a Z. They will make you fall asleep.
So, what's wrong with a little catnap?
It's the wrongest of wrongs. If you fall asleep in the forest of sleep, you'll turn into a tree.
I'm doomed. I'm a cat. I sleep 25 hours a day.
But, Sir Kitty Cat, there are only 24 hours in a day.
See? I told you I was doomed. So, how can we be sure we're in the forest of... Ouch! Hey, that hurt!
Better than becoming a tree. Hey, is this Y-shaped? Ouch!
Payback! Learn your alphabet!
Found one!
Perfect!
Vanilla Elvis! 87!
Let's get out of here before Sir Kitty Cat starts sprouting leaves.
I've got some Z branches in here, just in case we need them.
We did it! Our giant dream catcher is ready. Now we just need someone as bait to lure the dream thief.
Not again! Countess, oh my Countess, my heart is in a fog! Countess, oh my Countess, you make me wish that I was a dog. I can't take it anymore!
I think we found our bait.
Okay, all you have to do is take a nap and have sweet dreams. When the thief comes to steal your dream, we'll catch him with this.
There's just one problem. I'm not sleepy anymore.
I can fix that.
Oh, that's very nice of you.
Good job! Let's get in position.
He's starting to dream.
Okay, the thief stole the dream. Go for it, Fiona. Dream catcher, catch well, catch true. Catch the dream and the catcher too. Zsa Zsa? Hey there. You're the dream thief? Thief? No, I just wanted to borrow a few dreams.
Why?
Because I never have dreams and I wanted to see what they were like. When I saw how pretty and happy they were, I thought I'd share them on the screens with everyone. Everyone has dreams, Zsa Zsa, even you. You just don't remember them. I do? Yes, but you know, dreams are very personal. We shouldn't take or share them without asking. Oh, Zsa Zsa!
You have no chance of escaping our Halo cage, Zsa Zsa. Yeah, you're gonna pay for embarrassing us like that.
Sure. What do you want? Marbles? Bubblegum?
You know, now that we have Zsa Zsa, we also have the dream catcher. We could use it to capture Billy's dreams.
And embarrass her into giving us her kingdom.
Let's go shop online for furniture for a castle. The nerve of them. First they take Zsa Zsa, and now they want to steal your dreams, princess?
Don't worry, Fiona. I have an idea. Truman, do you still have any Z branches left?
Plenty.
Good. Now here's what we're going to do. Oh, this is a fine mess you've gotten me into.
Zsa Zsa.
Oh, Truman.
Shh, I need you to catch Sydney's dream.
But, Sydney's not sleeping.
There's our signal. Sydney's dreaming.
Perfect. Dream catcher, catch well, catch true. Catch the dream and the catcher, too. Wow. Oh, you saved me from my nightmare. Here, no more dream catching. Well, maybe just one more. Yours. Oh, yay.
See? I told you I was tired.
I guess some dreams do come true.
Oh, thank you, Your Highness, for showing me that I have dreams too. We are so lucky to have a princess like you, and I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. They're right. I do sleep with my kitty cat, and that's nothing to be embarrassed about.
Yeah, I still sleep with a blanket I got when I was a baby.
Well, if we're telling personal secrets, I still sleep with my panda. So do I. We're sorry we laughed at you, Billy. That's okay. Maybe we can all play with our favorite toys now?